All right, so let's copy file. To copy a file, what do we have here? ls minus, we have 3 files here, okay? And then let's create an empty directory for Coco. So this is IO, so let's get out of IO. Coco doesn't want to be inside IO, so we'll get out from IO, cd dot. So we are now in the home directory, pwd. Okay, yeah, this is the so let us create a directory for Coco. Make directory Coco, ls minus la, cd Coco, ls minus la, nothing. So let us go and copy that file, my file, from where? From IO folder into Coco folder, right? So print working directory. This is Coco folder. This is what we want to copy the directory. The file to. This is the directory we want to copy the file. Okay, so where is the file? We have to go to where the file is. Let's go to the source location.
IO.
Okay, so CD. But IO is not inside Coco. So we have to get out from Coco. CD dot, and then this is where IO is. We can now do CD IO. And then ls minus L. Okay, this is the file. So the command to copy is cp, copy. Copy which file? My file to where? To Coco. But where is Coco? Coco is a folder, it's a directory inside. So we have to put that file. We have to put that. This alone by itself will do something different. We have to give the entire path. We say copy this file from IO where we are to this place. This is the folder. If we put only Coco, it's going to do something different. It's going to copy it to another file called Coco. We'll have to put the whole directory name for it to copy it to a directory called, all right? If we do ls, it's not. So let's go to Coco now and find out if the file was actually copied. Instead of doing cd dot before going to Coco, can we just say cd straight away from here? Do you understand if I do this? No, that's not correct. Okay, let's put the full. Don't worry, I will look for. We'll factorize this later, but for now, just understand the real. So if we do that, it will take us straight to Coco instead of the normal way of doing cd dot before coming to, right? Okay. So cd Coco. Now we're in Coco. We can see that we're in Coco from here. So Mr. Kazim, how do we now find out if the file we copied actually delivered to the destination Coco?
I think we copy.
The command to find out is
ls minus la. Yeah.
All right. So the file is right there. So it's copied.
Okay.
All right. So it's going to help us go back to IO and copy this file, our second file, to Coco. Who will take us back to IO?
/home EC2 -user /IO.
All right. Good. We're in IO now.
ls minus l.
Yeah. So what file do you want to copy?
CP. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this file.
Second file.
Okay.
/home.
So copy that to home.
Yeah, /EC2 -user /Coco.
EC2 user Coco, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. That's good. So let's go to Coco to find that. CD ls minus la. Correct. The file is there.
Okay.
All right. So you are good. Well done. So cat the file. Cat our second file to see the content. Awesome. So that's how to copy file. What about how to delete file? How do you delete file? To delete file, ls minus la. Let's quickly create 2 more files here. Touch file 1. Is my line breaking? Are you hearing me well?
Yes.
Okay, because my internet, I feel that. So touch file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. All right. So ls minus la. So we have these files now. They are empty files. So to delete file, we already talked about deleting files, right? Yeah, we did that. We said remove file 1. ls minus la. Okay, we already talked about that. All right, let's learn something different. What if we want to copy files as well as directory? We can copy a whole directory, the file and its content. Instead of we can copy one directory to another directory. This is what I mean. Let's go cd dot. Okay, clear. ls minus la. Okay, so John and Coco. So we have a new person now. We are saying this person, we want to give him the entire content of IOS folder. Okay, so who do we have? Somebody is missing here. Okay, let's say white. So let us move the whole content of IO into a new folder, white, right? In other words, we want to copy the whole folder IO white. So to do it, we say copy CP, copy recursively IO into white. Oh, I wanted to say white. Yeah. So we see that IO 60 characters have been replicated into Y. So the command is copy, and then remember to do -R. It means recursively. Recursively means just copy IO with the content as it is, with all the branches exactly as it is to another directory. Y. You can see that that's what happened. You are not, if you want to further confirm beyond what you are seeing, and ls ion, you can see the ion. So you see what it has now? My file, our second file, our third file. Okay, so you can move from there and leave to Y, and then the ls minus save it. So that's how to copy the full direct source to this. All right. Okay, so let's go learn some more. There's a command called tar. Let's stay in Y. See ls minus l. Okay, where is that place where we created all of this files? cd dot ls minus l. That was in cd ls minus l. Okay, yeah, we can use here. Now, what if we want to copy? Suppose there are 400 files inside the directory instead of just the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that was. Suppose there are 400 files. What if we want to copy all 400 files inside this directory to another directory? Like we just did now, but want to copy all files. Actually, first of all, to copy all of these files from one directory to another directory, the command is copy.
File 1, file 2, file 3.
Yes, in this case, you are seeing them as five, but suppose they were not that simple names. In fact, let me just show you. So, if you want to copy all of these files, if there were 400 files, for example, then there's a command you use with it. That command is called tar command. So, how does tar command work? Tar command is tar, that's the command, minus cvf. Okay, so this command is tar minus cvf. Let's call it a name. Let's give it my tar file. My tar file dot tar. So we are now saying dot tar, and then we'll now say, what does that mean? It means current directory, in the directory that I am on now, which is Cocoa, and then we'll do that. So this command means all files. The star means all files in current directory. That's the meaning of this command. All files in current directory. Tie all of them together into one file and call it my tar file dot tar. Tie all the 400 files, zip, like you see in Windows. Zip all of them together into a single file and call that single file my tar file dot tar. So that's the command. Very, very useful, right? So what do we have now? ls minus la. We now have a single file, my tar file dot tar. This single file is actually made up of all of these other files together. So this is the singular file you will now transfer from one server, then at the other end, you can now untar. Okay, let's move this now from Cocoa to iOS. So let's move that file. How do we move it? Instead of copy, you can actually move. Copy will leave a copy behind, but move would delete the original copy. Move my tar. So you don't want to make mistake. All right. So where do you want to move it?
Ion.
Okay. Home B C to user. All right. That's done. So do you want to go to Ion now and save the file?